Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Saudi Arabia expectation versus reality. As a foreign employer, coffee maker, what is the daily life? So, this is my contact expectation versus reality. What do we think expectation, but what do we get reality? So, this is my vlog for who will come want to Saudi Arabia, then who will do now daily. He doesn't know daily survive the daily life, how what have to sacrifice. So now time my duty time. So that's why I have to come out from my accommodation. So this is my vlog. This is just for short video, TikTok and Facebook. If you want to look full video, you have to go my YouTube channel. I keep the link there. You can click there and you can visit my YouTube channel. Now Saudi Arabia almost into the summer. Now temperature, I think this my living place 43. But this is just for the number 43 is the temperature. But this is we feel look like 50. So it is just for certain time which we can survive the easily. Just half hour, 1 hour. But more than 1 hour we cannot walking the away because this is over hot. We cannot survive that hot over hot. So this is my I live in place Al Ras, Saudi Arabia Al Ras. But also have this Saudi Arabia many places famous city. So maybe all places not same like the weather, same like situation. But when I living that place is like village. It is not a big city. So that's why I cannot show properly what is the Saudi Arabia. But I can say in Saudi Arabia we have the part of city. That's why my city I can explore how we living, what I living, what is here have. So we want to come before Saudi Arabia. That guy take can see before come what is the Saudi Arabia. So this is my just for normal video. This is not. I know it is not big. This is just for my real life. I want to explore because before 4 years and a half I lived Saudi Arabia. Then I meet the many countries, the people, how survive the daily life. So what we have to do before Saudi Arabia we come, what we expectation, what we get the reality. So I want to explore that one. My accommodation to duty place have the duration time 20 minutes. That's why I have to come half hour before I have to come outside by self walking. I have to go duty. So now, before when I came out from accommodation, I feel the good because inside the room we stay with AC. That's why our body's maintenance is cool. But outside, no AC. That's why I feel now it's little bit hot. But also I cannot walking the long time. I think is when I become the uncomfortable, when I feel over hot, I think already I arrived my workplace. That's why for me is the easy. This destination time half hour for me is for I can survive the easily. So this is all people not like same to me. Maybe some people have the provide the drop and pick up the car. Maybe provide the bus drop and pick up. But my no have to go by self. That's why also I get the opportunity in this the problem. If I have the drop the car, drop the bus, I think I cannot make the easily like this box. So I have the good timing. So must be people is know what is Saudi Arabia, what to survive the daily life. I not come for just work. I not just for make the now video. Day by day I go duty, I come back duty, I make video. But also I have many profit for myself. It means just I exploring the people to know me, people can advise in Saudi Arabia what is the reality, what is expectation, how do we have to survive the daily life. People can take advice free from my this video. So who get the help from my this video, you can tell the thanks to me because not just for one time, not just for one day. I make video daily, short and every situation have to what I face. That situation I make explore the blog because we if you stay in Saudi Arabia you can have to face same like to me situation, every problem. That's why people can know what is the reality in Saudi Arabia, can take full properly reality information. So you can see this one what the scene like that. This is almost I'm alone. I wearing the cap because this I feel them too hot my head. I wearing the cap because I feel too hot. So help little bit. This is my head. If I wearing the cap, I wearing the sunglass because shift the my E is over hot over here. Even with sun, we cannot see the directly. So now is almost hot. My body is like expectation versus reality. So this way you have to be no any disturbing. So I like even I have the next way is very good, but that way too much south. There vehicles go. There's car, bus running the fast, drive fast, unlimited speed the road. That's why for me I feel that this stuff. That's why I found the way. This is peaceful way. So this is not for just for the kind of the video people just to know in Saudi Arabia, but it's not like just to if some people want to know about my earn, how much I earn, depend that they are also. So just what I get the reality, just I explore the people. Many people have to don't know in Saudi Arabia how to survive the daily life. Also in my life in Saudi Arabia living time, how I living, I want to keep it in my blog. Reality, this is my situation, how I survive. I want to look in the future. That time I can remaining and the people, many people can take the reality information like so my video is just 10 minutes to 15 minutes. That's why I think it's time become over. So I have to close the camera because my blog is daily life Saudi Arabia how to survive. That's why I think is the important thing. Just have to how I survive. That's why. Just like today I came duty, it's finished. Just like how I come, how I survive the more sun. I think I have to look one time. How much time? Already 13 minutes. So I think I have to close the camera.